We're all together in this moment, all of us. We have billions of moments in life, up to now and copious amounts to follow tonight. This is your moment. You chose all of us to be here with you right now. We filter out a lot as we grow, but not this incident, not this moment. Do you know what? Because the energy in here is electric with love.
My dearest Jamie, darling heart, babes, my Millie husband. When I look at you, I see your beautiful green eyes shining back at me. I see your generous, kind heart beaming through everything you do. I see an intelligent man with an eye for detail. I see your strong arms ready to embrace me when I need embracing. I see my rock, my never-ending support, my life partner.
So I could have come up here and told so many other stories about Jamie, most unacceptable. But I decided to share with you what most of you already know. Jamie's a fantastic man and even better father. And now I'm sure he will also make an amazing husband.
You're an inspiration for the person you are, your success, your drive, your determination, and your intense loyalty for everyone you love. Who wouldn't want this gorgeous girl, right?
To my clever, hard-working, capable daughter, I want to say I'm proud of you and I love
I promise to always be your friend, your lover, and most importantly, your family from this day until our very last days. I promise to join with you and to share all that is to come, to give and to receive, to speak and to listen.
So, with this in mind, today, on this magical day, I promise to try every day to make you feel the way you make me feel. Loved, cherished, supported, protected, fed and watered. I promise to love you unconditionally for all the days of our lives, to grow old with you, and when we're wrinkly and grey, I vow to remember our life together as the best times a person could hope for.
It is now with much excitement that I can now officially pronounce you husband and wife. Jamie, you may kiss your bride. Congratulations.
I have to say, from my heart, this man has been an absolute rock for my daughter. Supporting her through her studies, setting up a home with her, and now helping her to raise two beautiful and talented children. She is blessed to have such a gentle and loving man.
So it's just been a pleasure to know you guys. You know, it has. Like, I've got no stories about them. I've got millions. I'm just not going to say it here. But just a beautiful couple. Good. Some of the best humans I've ever met in my life, and I say that honestly with my heart.
Soulmate to me than you do a best friend. And I'm sure it's not just me who feels as lucky as I do to be by your side, like your other soulmate, Jamie. I wish you a lifetime of love, fun, pubbing, good health, lots of joyous giggles with your beautiful babies, lots of interstate family holidays, and things that make you both happy.
Promise to ride the highs and be your most loyal teammate while we weather the lows together. I'll pull you in tight when the going gets tough and remind you that I love you and that I'll always be here for you. But most of all, I promise to say yes every single day to doing life with you as your wife and soulmate.
I'll work by your side to create a wonderful life together. I see these vows not as promises, but as privileges. I get to laugh with you and cry with you, care for you and share with you. I get to run with you and walk with you, build with you and live with you. I love you, Rachel, with all my heart. Thank you for today, the last 11 years, and I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives together.